Okay, there was one more thing in part two that I want to show you, and that is you do have the ability to put better descriptions in. So let's go back to the one that's called Dave added. Okay, this is the one we added. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a BR tag, an HTML tag in here. And if you don't know HTML, this is pretty basic stuff. We can go BR and say this is the second line, and then do another BR. This is the third line. Okay, we're going to save it, and let's go back and take a gander at how we did. Okay, so all we got was the two lines. I wanted to show you that you only have two lines to work with. Okay, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to delete the third line because this thing is limited in terms of what it'll do. Where is it? Okay, boom. Now, the second thing I want to show you is that we do have the ability to put in here HTML stuff. For instance, suppose we want to bold this, and suppose we want to underline this one. Okay, so the U starts the underline, that the U, /U stops it, and oh, I messed up. That should be just a B, bold, to shut off the bold. Okay, let's update it. Let's go back over here. We reload, and let's slide down here, and we can see that here this one's underlined, and this one is bolded. Okay, so you have a little bit of flexibility on this, but there is no option for the third line. That is all that I know. Also, one last thing, and that is this is all CMS stuff here. So if I go and edit this page, you'll see that all of the CMSable stuff is here, and this is the stuff that the user sees, and then this is the gravity forms that goes on the right hand side. You'll oh well, let's see, I'm just going to open another one real quick here. So we can see that the gravity forms is here, okay, and this is the gravity forms here, okay, and one last thing that I did want to show you is the gravity forms is actually in the CSS. So I'm going to ditch out of here. Okay, let's go up. We'll go back to themes. Now remember how we got here. We went Animation Mentor, boom. We went to Appearance. We went to Editor, and then it opens in the style sheet. Now, there is actually a G-forms section in here, and oh, this is very bad. There's a lot of them. There's 80 of them. Let's see. I want to. No, it shouldn't take too darn long. Sorry about this. Okay, now notice here where it says G-form wrapper 5. That means it's the wrapper for form number 5. Okay, so we're going to go and find one for number 7 because the mentor choice is form 7. So if I wasn't so disorganized, I could have gone to. In fact, let's do that. Let's go find G-form wrapper 7. I'm going to go paste this into the search. Now we're in the style sheets, okay, and I'm going to change this to G-form wrapper 7. Now we are on the G-form wrapper, and remember we're in styles.css. We're not in the gravity form CSS. We're actually in our styles. And what you see here is this is for page ID 3895, which if you went and looked at the form, you'd see it was 3895. Correction, the actual mentor's choice page is that, and G-form 7 is that one. So you can see that the way that I made a thinner box was to make this 300 pixels, and the height is 350, so it fits exact. That's 350, and that's the 300. So that's that, and the background color is dictated by this 999 color. Okay, that is all.